Now, China, meanwhile, has donated a consignment of personal protective equipment to health professionals and other frontline workers in South Africa. A limited supply of protective gear has hampered efforts to control the spread of COVID-19 in the African nation. CGTN's Yolisa Jamela has more.
The fight against the coronavirus requires a joint effort by all sectors of society. This includes the increasing of the resource capacity of the health systems across the board. With that in mind, China has donated a consignment of personal protective equipment to help South Africa's health and other frontline workers curb the spread of the disease. Health workers rely on personal protective equipment to protect themselves and their patients from being infected and infecting others. So this donation is a critical one in the fight against the spread of the coronavirus.
They are important. They are the most important aspect of our fight against the pandemic. Whatever we do as politicians, it won't make any sense and it won't make any difference if our health workers are not healthy. So our preoccupation as the South African government and Gauteng government is to make sure that they get enough and appropriate PPEs so that they can be able to do their work without any fear.
The Bank of China in particular has donated thousands of personal protective equipment units to the Gauteng Health Department to boost the fight against the coronavirus. Gauteng is South Africa's economic hub.
So during his conversation with President His Excellency Mr. Ramaphosa in April 8, our President Mr. Xi Jinping stressed that is that China and African countries are good friends, good partners, and good brothers, who share the will and work, and comrades plus the brother is the symbol of the special friendly relationship between China and the South African and between the two ruling parties.
South Africa believes that this donation is a measure of the good relations that the two countries have to be there for each other when there's a need.
I think from the People's Republic of China, it's an important thing that we have to get help from them and assistance. And also, it's not only about the mask. We had an initial engagement early in the month of March with the Consular General when we were starting off. I think we are still having few numbers of infected cases in the country and in Gauteng.
China's assistance comes after South Africa approached the Chinese government and asked for help as the pandemic coronavirus continues to take lives across the globe. Yolisa Jamela for CGTN in Johannesburg, South Africa.